Good morning, everybody. We are due to meet in a week's time. Where has the time gone, right? And I just wanted to remind you of the sounds that are available in the system because I thought this might help you with assigning sounds to the text. So we've got 3 families of sound. The first family is musical instruments, and there we've got harp, which sounds like this. And then we've got celesta. And we've got marimba. The second family of sounds we've got are electroacoustic sounds. And first of all, we've got garden. Then we've got pleasant. Now, some of those sounds you may not know. And I know that you're not very fond of them, but I'm just thinking that they might be relevant to a particular aspect of the experience. So the third one is symmetry. Then is trevor. Then bubble. Then drone song. Electro glee. New room. And then last one, reaping roof. The third family of sounds is foot, and these are sounds that respond to tilting movement, and this is why they are called foot. They were meant for the sensors to go around the feet, and we have 12 of those. I'm just gonna play you a couple just to remind you. So these are quieter sounds, and they offer some kind of texture. There is the idea that you're stepping on different kind of materials. This is foot 2. Foot 3. And I'm just gonna play you one more, foot 5. Just a reminder that you can have more than one sounds on the same sensor. So for example, if you wanted to, you could have a MIDI sound, you can have harp, let's say, with one of the feet. So I just put the harp with foot 5 now. So 2 sounds are playing at the same time. And finally, there is the option to input sounds of your own choice. I know we've done very little with this, and when we used sounds from back nearby, you couldn't make out the sound that you were individually making because you all use the same sound. But I just wanted to remind you that this is an opportunity. I'm just gonna add 3 sounds from the sea, and just to see how that sounds like. So if there are other kinds of sounds that you would like to assign to different experiences or different body parts, feel free to name those, and I will look for a suitable sound sample, and we can feed it into the system and then see what happens. Feel free to assign as many or as little sounds as you want, but if you could send this to me by Friday the 1st of April, that would really help us with the planning. So if you can send me the piece of text with the sound that you want to go against each different part of the text, that would be really helpful. Great, so I hope you enjoy this last activity, and we very much look forward to seeing you on Tuesday the 5th of April. So take care until then, and we'll see you on the 5th. Bye bye everybody.